Hi there. It's the middle of January and we're at the Javits Center in Manhattan. So it must mean that we're at NRF 25, Retail's Big Show. Hi, I'm Larry Lunetta, Vice President of Product Marketing for the HPE Aruba Networking business unit. And we're here at the show to talk to a lot of our big retail customers who use our technology, and especially our wireless technology, to drive their business. So many of the customers that are here are global, and many of them are making big investments in AI. So they're telling us what they need from a networking perspective to make that successful. So what I'm going to do is take advantage of all that insight and being here at the show and give you a couple of predictions for 2025. So for better or for worse, here we go. So prediction number one, AI is king and so is data. No surprise there. But retail has very specific requirements when it comes to data and AI for things like inventory control, shrinkage management, personalized shopping experiences. All of that comes from data that comes from things like sensors, things like cameras, things like scanners. And as a result, it puts a tremendous stress on the network. So as the retailers invest in AI, and NVIDIA just released a report that said 90% of all retailers are investing in AI. As they invest in AI, the data becomes really crucial in terms of making that AI successful. So that brings me to my second prediction, which is the network is mission critical to AI. And that means it's not just Wi-Fi, it's private 5G, it's public cellular, it's switching, all of that combined into a single system that the retailer can use inside of a store all the way out to the cloud to make sure that the data that's driving all those applications is available. So things like Wi-Fi 7 and, as I said, private 5G and public cellular are all going to be mission critical for retailers as more and more data drives their operation. If the network doesn't work, neither does their store. Okay, so let's get to prediction number three. Where is all that data going? Well, it certainly can go to the cloud. But increasingly, retailers need real-time insight into that data. So what's happening is the data center is coming into the store. And for example, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise just introduced the DL145, which is a very compact, environmentally friendly server that has a GPU punch to it that can sit in a closet and process things like video in real time. So here are two examples. One is, in checkout, retailers are increasingly taking video of the transaction, sending it to those servers, and the servers have AI looking for things that are unusual. And if they find it, they stop the transaction. The second example would be sensors in things like refrigerators and French fry machines and things like that, reporting their status out. And if somehow they get out of the bounds of the spec that the retailer wants, immediately action can be taken based on alerts that come from the AI software. So all of this means that as retailers invest in AI, they're doubling down on their networking investments as well. And HPE is supremely well positioned to partner with retailers as they reinvent the shopping experience. So thanks for being here, and stay tuned. We'll come back next year and determine whether or not those predictions were true.